Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Jess, and if you don't mind pressing the subscribe button for me, that would be awesome. I put out Forex videos 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Today we're going to chat about order absorption. So I did make an Instagram post for you on this today if you didn't see it, but we're going to look at different examples and I'm going to kind of go into more detail here without rambling on and on for too long because you know that's not my style. Here I have a resistance area for you, okay? It's a zone resistance area, whatever you want to call it. This is an area of resistance, and below, and I'm just going to draw a line here just so that I don't have two big areas drawn in, we have a support, okay? Now, there is a belief among some traders, all right, that the more touches an area of support or resistance gets, the stronger it becomes. I've heard this quite a few times, okay? Here's the issue with that. Let's look at this in terms of simplicity. Let's really break down what's happening. When price attempts this area of resistance here, okay, what's happening really? Like what is happening? Buyers have control, right, for a short period of time. Now, this is after a downtrend, but it is still acting as resistance, so we're going to go with it. Buyers are taking back control for a small period of time right here. Sellers are waiting right here to enter trades. Why? Because we know this is an area to look out for, okay? You have this area as a zone or a key level. So do many other retail traders, and so do the big corps, okay? And so what happens is when you get to this area, price automatically drops, okay? And it comes down to the lower zone or to the support. Comes back up again, right? And again, quickly drops down. Doesn't quite come down to that support level though. Here's the thing. When we get to this point here, there are less sellers willing to take the trade because the move's already happened, right? Less sellers are waiting here and even less here. And look what happens here, okay? It rejects a little bit, okay, because there were some sellers obviously waiting to take the trade, but then buyers push right through it and take control, all right? This goes for support and resistance. Let's look at another example now because this one wasn't this was a good example, but it wasn't the best because it was a resistance area at the bottom of a downtrend. So I just want to find something a little better, but it's the same idea. Let's do it with support actually. So let's move this up. All right. Now this should probably be a little bit smaller, but not looking at a perfect zone right now. I just want to give you the idea and the example. So we'll use this one. So buyers take control here, okay? They come back down and they test this level, this zone. All right. What's happening? Buyers are waiting right here to take a trade, okay? Because it's been in the past respected as a key level or a support, okay? So other retail buyers have this set as a trade to take, right? So when price gets down here, a lot of buyers buy and kind of self-fulfilling prophecy happens and we take the trade and we go up to, our whatever level is right here. That's an awful line, but you get the point. It comes back down, retests again, okay? And what happens? Price shoots on up. I want to see if this tested again. The third time it comes back down to test, okay, sellers completely take control because after a few times, that level is weakened, all right? Now, what's my point? Is my point don't trade off of these levels? No, of course you're going to trade off of these levels. That's the main component of my strategy. All I'm stating is that if you have an area like this, okay, and price has already come back down and retested an area multiple times, okay, it's getting weaker each time. So always make sure you use multiple confirmations. I talk about this all the time. And also watch for um, also watch for consolidation. All right. Because the chances are if you have a resist or a support that or a resistance that's being tested multiple times, you're probably in an area of consolidation. Okay. You don't want to be trading in that anyway. So you really want to get in the first or the second time. That is all I have for you today. I don't want to go on too long. Hopefully you learned something from this video. I will have it posted for you shortly, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.